Begins with Axel McQuiston as he celebrates number 2 behind the wheel of his ship. Aye, Captain. Happy birthday, Axel in Pittsburgh.
All right, and Anna's son is turning 3 years old. Look at her in those shades. I love it. Love Mom, Dad, Abram, and Miles. Happy birthday, Anna.
That's a good look, Anna. Avery Harrison, she is celebrating her 15th birthday, Purple Dragon Pride, and happy birthday to Avery in Pittsburgh.
All right. Hillary Mahoney in Carl Junction is turning 29 years old. Oh, look at that sweet one in her arms. What a great picture. Great smile there, Hillary. Happy birthday.
A pair of 4s on the board for Joel Miller. Oh, Tanya, check that out. Tanya, by the way, an infinitely better axe thrower than me, Joel. I would like to see you two square off. A happy birthday to Joel in Seneca.
I like to do it one-handed, too. It's fun. Anyway, Mike Bogle is 69 years old in Chanute. Looks like we got a Jayhawk fan there. Having fun there. Happy birthday, Mike.
And this is the younger brother of our own graphic artist, Will York. Nice. A good picture right there, Wayne. A happy 23 to Wayne York in Columbus. One more to pass along.
Happy birthday, Wayne. Yeah, because...
In the bus, who we got, Tanya?
Kenneth Strickland, turning 85 years old today. Happy birthday, Kenneth. Hope it's a great one.
Mr. Strickland. Here's where you can send them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com, or if you'd like to go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com/birthdays. And a happy birthday to all of you celebrating on this March the 30th. Now over to Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. If you use that website technique for submission, you can also be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is sign up, and then you'll get special deals from local businesses. That's a good birthday prize in itself. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
If you're